made a lot of guys pay in his career, but 38 RBIs this year.
Hitting well over 400 in the month of May. Today's the 25th day of May. High and deep left field. Way back, and the Rockies have the lead. Just like that. Number 200 for Arenado.
Never ceases to amaze me. Welcome to the 200 club. He was giddy last night when Trevor hit his 100th. Well, how happy is he going to be tonight?
You literally run out of superlatives to describe how special a player 28 is.
Let's bring it back right here. In the air, left field, bigger than I thought. Way back and goodbye. Home run again. Arenado delivers. That'll bring in 3.
Well, how does
Colorado's up.
Yeah, how does that happen? The table setters. You know, Dahl gets the hit up the middle, hits it so hard, even though Martin shifted that way. And then again, what, 2 home runs last night. This guy's red hot. Had multi-hits in his last 4 games. Already 21 on the season.
14th home run of the year for Arenado. 3 in 2 games so far. And for Cashner, the 10th home run he has surrendered on the year. And it continues to be the right-handers who are getting him.
I mean, the target's in and the ball's in. And it doesn't matter. He just knows where the bat head is. You're talking about one of the real special hitters in Major League Baseball.